العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
This is the Bakhoor Journey series where we explore the scents, tradition, and stories behind incense from different cultures. Welcome to Yemen, a land known for its rich fragrance heritage and ancient trade routes. For centuries, precious stones and resins like frankincense, oud chips, sandalwood, and aromatic spices pass through Yemeni markets, filling homes with beautiful scents. Inspired by this tradition, today's Bakhoor combine warm woods like agar wood of different grades, sandalwood, rich resins like frankincense, moss crystals, and natural perfume ingredients like onycha of the highest grade and deep, rich oud and sandalwood oils mixed together to form the most amazing Adeni Bakhoor. Yemen is known for its hospitality and trade, and as this amazing smoke rises, imagine walking through the historic souks where fragrance has always been part of their daily life. Adeni Bakhoor is very easy to make when you have all these ingredients you can see on your screen. After mixing up your amazing Adeni Bakhoor, you are going to let this sit and solidify for 24 hours or even more. I couldn't wait for mine to solidify because of the amazing scent this bubble was evoking. And I really had to try this before immediately after whipping up this goodness. So let me know, will you be trying this recipe? And don't forget to like, comment, share, and I'm going to see you guys in the next episode where I'll be taking you to the next country of the Bakhoor Journey series. Inshallah, see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye bye.